name is Rick, and in this video we'll go over our 9th blues solo from the Pentatonic scale, Guitar Solo Trainer. So let's go to page 15 in the book and take out your fretboard chart and Pattern Shape 2 guide. Our practice song will start on an E chord, so that means our root note is going to be an E. So let's line up our pattern guide with E's showing through the red root note markers, and this gives us an area between the 7th to the 10th fret to play an E minor pentatonic scale. Now you can use all 12 notes or just a few, and in our case we just use the 5 notes in the white box. So let's find where those notes are. On string 1 we have a B and a D. String 2, a G, and an A. And on string 3, just an E. Very good. Run through those a few times, and we'll play our practice play along. Track 26. Ready for this? We'll listen for the 4 counts. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, very good. So that is our 9th blues solo. You can practice this as many times as you'd like to get a feel for using Pattern Shape 2 in this area. And if you're curious about how these pattern shape guides look the way they do, in video 24, I'll explain how they get their unique shapes. In our next video, we'll use pattern guide number 3 and move up the fretboard to fret 12. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video. Bye for now.